Check out this pre-owned 2006 GMC Envoy SLE. This 4-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 4-liter i6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This GMC has less than 134,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include power sunroof, automatic climate control, CD player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power door locks, stability control, traction control, OnStar, and power windows.